Hi, welcome to my reflection video for Applied Design Tools and Interfaces course at Full Sail University. Basically, I'm going to talk about what this application is going to do and some of the features that it's going to present. This application is basically to allow retro computer enthusiasts to search for computer systems and computer parts and also create like a retro experience for them that while they are searching for these computer systems, they can also live the nostalgic mood that the website will create for them, bringing back memories from their old times using those old retro computer systems. So we're going to have two different main type of users. The first type of user is going to be the expert, the person that back into those days they had those systems and they became eventually experts in new systems today because those experiences they lived changed their life. For example, they are today computer engineers or software designers, architects, and things like that. These people are very familiar with the new technology as well as the old technology. So they are going to be looking for a specific technical features and they're going to be creating some technical documents and tutorials on how to integrate those old systems onto the new ones. So this document that I prepared talks about the core functionality as well as some of the optional features and nice to have that we're going to include in this application. And it also describes this initial type of user as well as the second type of user that is going to be probably a younger audience that is just curious about those old systems because of so many people and it's such a big community on the internet talking about those vintage computer systems such as the Commodore, Amiga, or the Atari, or any of the Spectrums and Amstrads, and those different systems that a lot of people initiated their learnings and their careers in computers with those systems. So this second type of user that is younger is going to be probably just researching, or they're going to be looking for those systems just because they learned about them from their families, such as their dad and moms, or just because they are doing research for the university. So they are two completely different users. The ones that are very familiar with the systems and the ones that are not so familiar, but they are more familiar with the new current today's systems. The interaction with the website is represented in this diagram. We can see the user logs on to the actually loads the website or the application, enters a search criteria, and it displays a result. So sometimes the result is close enough to what they are looking for, and sometimes they're going to have to apply extra filters to create less results and more accurate to what they are looking for. Sometimes they will click on a specific item, see the details of the item, but then after that, if they want to do anything else, such as buying the item, selling the item, creating a tutorial for this specific item, or adding the item to the favorites, they're going to have to log in. And at that point, they can either register for the first time, or they can just log in. And if they forgot the password, the user ID or password, they can also reset that. Once they log in, they will be redirected to where they were going, or just to their welcome profile page where they can access, like history on sales and purchases and things like that, favorites and things like that. I really hope this application will be a very good application for those people that have they're living those nostalgic moments from those old retro computer systems, and I hope that they will really enjoy the environment and the mood that we're going to create that I don't believe many websites have out there. Not only the sales and buying experience, but also the entire mood around it. Thank you very much. My name is Angel Valdez. I'm a student at Full Sail University.